16, 10, 8, 7.
All right, so this is just a preliminary look at the TX-680AV. This is a 32 channel DMR analog handheld. Hello.
Radio check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
That's got that echo there. This is
the factory default frequency and programming.
So all the channels except for 16 are programmed as DMR.
16. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Let me pull out the frequency list here. Yep, pretty original. 155. And that's in a public service frequency band. So
10, 9, 8, 7, 9, 11, 12, 13, 15, 14, 13, 12, 13.
Hello,
radio
check.
check.
1, 2, 3,
4.
So this is I'm pretty sure it's a TYT radio. This is as it comes. It's got 2 buttons on the side.
16.
This doesn't do anything. Neither of them seem to do anything right now, but that's
14, 13.
how it's programmed. There's your default frequencies. I don't know what the talk group, color code, time slot, or encryption settings are for any of these. This is just a preliminary kind of look at them, but they are
DMR radios, at least as far as I can tell. Got that kind of DMR sound, and that echo is just great.
But yeah, there you have it. So let's do. Audio 1, 2, 1, 2. So the light's not even coming on. But yeah, we'll mess with these a little bit later. Some programming software. Reprogram them to actually use them legally at frequencies that make sense. But that'll be another video. So there you have it, the TXPro TX-680AV VHF 32 channel DMR analog handheld radio.